Right, one way to do this question is to work out the radius of Jupiter and the radius of the Earth. So we can use this formula we've been given. We can deal with the Earth to start with. And we've got that 1.08 times 10 to the 12, that's the volume, is going to equal 4/3 pi r cubed. I can rearrange this to work out what r cubed is. I can times through by 3 both sides. So it's 3 times 1.08 times 10 to the 12. And then I can divide through by 4 pi. And that gives me 2.578 times 10 to the 11. And if I take the cube root, then I get r is equal to 6364.70. I can do the same for Jupiter. Same equation, it's just that now I'll replace the volume by 1.43 times 10 to the 15. In that case, I'm not going to go through all the steps. I get r equals 69890.12. And so if I want to work out how many times larger the radius of Jupiter is than the Earth, I need to do the larger one divided by the smaller one. So it's going to be 69890.12 divided by 6364.70, and that equals 10.98, which I might write it as 11.0. I'd get away with 11, but actually I think 11.0 shows just how close it is to 11. So that's the answer. There is a quicker way of doing it, which I'm gonna talk about now, and this relies on using the length scale factor. So the length scale factor is actually equal to the cube root of the volume scale factor. For example, where am I going with this? I'm saying if you had a cube and it had sides 1 and this has sides 2, well, the length scale factor is 2. But actually, if you work out the volume of this cube is 1 times 1 times 1, it's 1. And the volume of this cube is 2 times 2 times 2, it's 8. So the volume, this is the length scale factor. The volume scale factor would actually be times 8. And what I've done is I've cubed the length scale factor to get the volume scale factor. I could cube root the volume scale factor to get back to the length scale factor. I'm basically explaining where this formula has just come from. So actually, all I need to do, I don't even need to worry about the fact that it's a sphere and work out that. I can just take the volumes, 1.43 times 10 to the 15, divide by the volume of the Earth, 1.08 times 10 to the 12. Okay, that's my volume scale factor, so I just need to cube root it, and I will get exactly the same answer.